everyone. It's a beautiful day here in the north of England. It's nearly 30 degrees and we've decided to take Wilma down to the Lake District and attempt to climb Scafell Pike tomorrow. We're staying at a campsite called Seathwaite Farm campsite, which is right at the base of Scafell. You can walk directly from the campsite via the corridor route, which is a little bit more challenging and takes about 6 hours, would you say? 6 hours, about 9 miles, and obviously very steep. So yeah, lots of sun cream needed and plenty of fluids, and hopefully we'll make it to the top tomorrow. Well, we've arrived at Seathwaite Farm campsite. It's quite busy and it's about 5:30 at night and it's still about 30 degrees. So we've just set up the awning, we're getting out the chairs and we're going to cook a little bit of food and enjoy the lovely views. Morning everyone.
Morning.
Well, it's about 8:30 and we're just leaving Seathwaite Farm campsite on our way up to the summit of Scafell Pike, so hopefully get there about midday. But it's a beautiful day, we've got plenty of water, plenty of food, so hopefully it should be a good climb. There's the campsite down in the distance there. We're about 20 minutes in and we're climbing. We've got our first glimpse of Scafell Pike summit, which I think is this one here, or it could be this one. I think it's this one. We are at Styhead Tarn, quite a popular spot for overnight campers. It's beautiful and quiet. We're just on the final climb to the summit, which is just at the top of this bank here, but gorgeous views. Well, we've made it to the top and we've just found a nice little bit of grass to have our lunch, and then it's time to make the long climb back down. But it was quite a steady climb, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We did it via the corridor route, as I mentioned before, which is a bit of a longer route, but it's a bit of a steadier...
It's more scenic as well, isn't it?
More scenic and a bit of a steadier climb up. Got some great views of the other walks as well, Great Gable, Green Gable. So yeah, and couldn't ask for nicer weather really, could we?
It's perfect.
We're probably about halfway back down now, and over in the distance you see Keswick. Water and Skiddaw, which is where we'll be staying tonight, hopefully, down in Keswick. Five hours later, we're back at the van.
Yeah, it was a good walk, loads of nice views. We did as Hannah said earlier, the corridor route, which we were told was the one that it's quite long, but it has the best views, and they weren't wrong there, were they? It was beautiful.
No, it was lovely. And then we came a different route on the way back, which was a bit longer, but it meant it was a more gradual decline. It was still quite steep on the way down, wasn't it? It seemed to go on forever. We could see the campsite in the distance in the valley, and it just didn't seem to be getting any nearer. But we're back now, we're having a nice cold drink. Going to get a nice cold shower as well, and then head on into Keswick. Well, we've had a nice shower on the campsite and now we're on our way to Keswick, but we've heard it's going to be really busy there, so hopefully we can get parked in the overnight car park. Well, we tried to get parked up in Keswick, but it was just manic, and a lot of the places, although they allow overnight parking, you're not allowed to stay in your vehicle, so we didn't fancy getting a knock at 1 o'clock in the morning saying, can you please move? So we're on our way back to the northeast via Brough. Is that what you say?
Brough.
And we found a Brit Stop's castle in Brough, so we're going to park there overnight and go there for food instead. Nice place, isn't it?
Something that England have been vulnerable to.
Morning everyone.
Morning.
We had a lovely night's sleep at a Brit Stop location called Barnard Castle. We just parked up here. It's another lovely morning and we're going to go and get some breakfast in the castle, which we booked last night.
Food was lovely last night as well, wasn't it? We had evening meal last night, it was beautiful.
Yeah, and
steak and salmon.
Yeah, and then they asked us if we wanted to book in for breakfast, so we took them up on that offer and we're just about to go in now and get some breakfast.
And all the better because England won.
Yeah. So we decided to stop off at a little town called Barnard Castle on the way back. It's a nice little market town. We've been here loads of times before. It's only about half an hour from Darlington. So we're going to do a little walk around Barnard Castle, about 5 miles before heading off home. Well, we're just coming back into the Barnard Castle town now. That was a lovely walk, wasn't it?
Oh, it's lovely. Yeah, well worth it. It's nice countryside, river walks, forests, lovely.
And what I'll do is I'm going to post the links to both the Scafell route we took up yesterday and the walk around Barnard Castle today. So you can follow those if you're ever in the area.